Alrighty, we're learning about factoring some more. Okay, so this time we're gonna learn how to factor 4 terms. Okay, not all 4 terms can be factored, but all the problems in this unit is all problems in this unit are factorable. Okay, so let's look at the first 4 terms. 4x cubed minus 6x squared minus 6x plus 9. Alright, so once again you're going to factor the first term and the last term, and then cross multiply and add them to make sure that they are equal to the 2 middle terms. There are 2 middle terms here, negative 6x squared and negative 6x. There are 2 middle terms. Okay, so I will factor out the first term. So what gives you 4x cubed? 2x times 2x squared times 2x, right? And then 9, I'm going to do 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9, but the 2 middle terms are negative. So if I do positive here, it's never going to come on. It's going to never come up. It's never going to be 2 negatives in the middle like this. So you want to do negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, let's say if I do positive 3 times positive 3. See what happened. 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. Add them together, it's going to be 6x squared plus 6x. Well, the 2 middle terms are negative, so that's not good. So it's going to be no. Okay, so I want to do... Okay, so I want to do 6x squared... 2x squared, 2x, and then I want to do negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, cross multiply 2x squared times negative 3, negative 6x squared, 2x times negative 3, negative 6x. Adding these two terms is going to be negative 6x minus 6x squared. Are these two terms similar to those two? Yes. It's just the 6x, negative 6x is in front. Negative 6x squared is in the back. They switch, but still it's the same middle terms. Okay, so yes, or check mark. Okay, so if this is correct, then I can say 2x squared and negative 3 in the same line, group them together, and then 2x, negative 3 in the same line, group them together. So that's the answer. Okay. Alright, so B, x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. Okay, you can try this for yourself using the same method. X cubed is x squared times x. Negative 1 is 1 times negative 1. Which one will I assign to? This is positive x squared, so I want to cross multiply so I can get positive 1x squared. So I put the 1 down here, because x squared times 1 is 1x squared. Okay, 1x squared, just x squared. And x here, 1 times negative 1 will be negative 1. So x times negative 1 is negative 1x. So adding these two terms together, you have negative x and then plus x squared. Are these two terms similar to these two terms right there? Yes, x squared and then negative x. Good. So my answer would be x squared minus 1 and then x plus 1. Alright, I'm going to have you do C, x6 minus x4 minus x2 plus 1. Alright, so let's look at, you can pause the video and work this by yourself. Let's look at x6. Do I want to do x3 times x3? x3 times x3 is x6, but there's no x3 here. You have x4 and x2. So you want to do x4 times x2. Okay? Positive 1. Factors are positive 1. 1 times 1, but these two middle terms are negative. So you want to do negative 1 times negative 1. Okay? So x to the fourth times negative 1, negative 1x to the fourth, x squared times negative 1, negative 1x squared. Adding these two terms will give you negative x squared minus x fourth. Is that those two similar to the middle terms? Yes. So then I can write my answer x4 minus 1 times x squared minus 1. Alright, one last example for today. D. 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 12x plus 3. Okay, so I can break up the first term. 8x cubed, what two things multiply? Would be 4x. Okay, so I can do 4x times 2x squared, or I can do 4x squared times 2x. Okay, now which one do I want to give? The middle term is 2x squared, so I might want to break down the 2x squared first. Alright, because I want to keep the 2x squared. Okay, so 2x squared times 4x is 8x cubed. Okay, and then because I cross multiply 1 times 3 or 3 times 1, I want to keep the 2x squared the same, so I just want to put 1 in here, because 2x1 times 1 is 2x squared. 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared, which is the middle term. So 1 here is going to be 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So 4x times 3 is 12x. Right? Adding them together gives you middle terms, yes or no? Yes. 2x squared plus 12x. Check. So then my final answer is 4x plus 1, and then 2x squared plus 3. And that's it.